You accidentally fall into a gorilla enclosure. Don't scream or run, otherwise the gorilla will see you as a threat. Many people panic and make noise, which makes gorillas become aggressive, and running also triggers their hunting instinct. So what should you do? But first, if you love going to the zoo, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. When you press the copy link button, something magical will happen. Crouch down as low as possible, make yourself small, and never look the gorilla directly in the eyes. Move slowly toward the exit, and if it comes near you, stay still and show